Taseed Spermogen Sperm Grow Plus Therapy. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today I will explain about the course which name is Taseed Spermogen Sperm Grow Plus Therapy offered by Taseed Dawakhana Private Limited. This course is prepared for the male infertility patients to cure their disease. By using this course, patients will recover their male infertility problem in few months. In today's program, I will brief you what is Taseed Spermogen Sperm Grow Plus Therapy, how it can cure the disease male infertility, why male infertility happens, its symptoms, reason of this disease, indications, male infertility types, complete detail about sperm's quality and quantity. Male infertility is due to low sperm production, abnormal sperm function, or blockages that prevent the delivery of sperm. Illness, injuries, chronic health problems, lifestyle choices and other factors can play a role in causing male infertility. Changes in sexual desire, a man's fertility is also linked with this hormone health. Changes in virility, often governed by hormones, could indicate issues with fertility. Number 2. Testicle pain or swelling. There are several different conditions that could lead to pain or swelling in the testicles, many of which could contribute to infertility. Number 3. Problems maintaining erection. A man's ability to maintain an erection is often linked to these hormone levels. Reduced hormones may result which could potentially translate into trouble conceiving. Number 4. Issues with ejaculation. Similarly, an inability to ejaculate is a sign that it might be time to visit a doctor. Number 5. Small firm testicles. The testes house a man's sperm, so testicle health is paramount to male fertility. Small or firm testicles could indicate potential issues that should be explored by a medical practitioner. Causes: excess heat, for example due to males' occupation such as truck drivers, welders or firefighters, or habits such as excessive use of the hot tub or tight clothing. Drugs, including certain antibiotics and prescription medicines, anabolics, steroids, alcohols, marijuana. Toxicants such as pesticides, herbicides, heavy metals, lead, mercury or paint. Stress, excessive exercise including bicycling, chronic disease such as anemia, malnutrition, cancer, neurological disease or diabetes. Dietary deficiencies such as zinc, vitamin C, folic acid. Varicocele, a condition in which the veins enlarge inside the scrotum. Disease of the male genital tract including infection, cancer, trauma or retrograde ejaculation. Surgery on the male genital tract such as for the treatment of undescended testicle or hernia. Obesity. Types of disease. Viewers, semen produced in testicles. Testicles are very important in sperm production. If testicles are not working well, then it makes a problem. Normal semen contains 40 million to 300 million sperm per milliliter. A low sperm count is considered to be anything between 10 and 20 million sperm per milliliter. 20 million sperm per milliliter may be adequate for pregnancy if the sperm are healthy. On average, each time a man ejaculates, the releases nearly 100 million sperm. Why are so many sperm released if it takes only one to make a baby? To meet the waiting egg, semen must travel from the vagina to the fallopian tubes, a tough journey that few sperm survive. Experts believe this process may be nature's way of allowing only the healthiest sperm to fertilize the egg. To provide the best chances of having a healthy baby, there are two types of testicle diseases. First one is hydrocele. A hydrocele is a type of swelling in the scrotum that occurs which fluid collects in the thin sheet surrounding a testicle. Hydrocele is common in newborns and usually disappears without treatment by age 1. Older boys and adult men can develop a hydrocele due to inflammation or injury within the scrotum. And the second one is varicocele. A varicocele is an enlargement of the veins within the loose bag of skin that holds your testicles. A varicocele is similar to a varicose vein you might see in your leg. Varicoceles are a common cause of low sperm production and decreased sperm quality which can cause infertility. Viewers, now I will tell you about the sperm diseases. There are 3 types of sperm diseases named azoospermia, oligospermia and necrospermia. The first one is azoospermia. It is a medical condition of a man whose semen contains no sperm. It is associated with infertility, but many forms are amenable to medical treatment. Azoospermia's main cause is infection. It includes pus cells in semen, blood in semen, or presence of bacteria. This condition doesn't have any symptoms. Azoospermia is further divided into 2 more types: obstructive azoospermia and non-obstructive azoospermia. Obstructive azoospermia is defined as the absence of spermatozoa in the ejaculate despite normal spermatogenesis. Obstructive azoospermia is a common urologic condition that accounts for 6.1 to 13.6% of patients presenting for fertility evaluation. Non-obstructive azoospermia is defined as no sperm in the ejaculate due to failure of spermatogenesis and is the most severe form of male infertility. Second type is oligospermia. Oligospermia, this is a male fertility issue characterized by a low sperm count. Other aspects of the sexual health of men with this condition are typical. This includes the ability to get and maintain an erection as well as produce ejaculation at orgasm. Sperm count in your ejaculate can vary throughout your life. As I have explained, normal sperm count is between 200 to 600 million. So if a person has less than 120 million sperm count, then he has oligospermia. This disease is because of infection in vein, physical disturbance, anxiety and abnormal hormones level. Now I will tell you about the third infertility disease, that is necrospermia. Necrospermia is a condition in which there is a low percentage of live and very much percentage of immotile spermatozoa in semen. It can be diagnosed through a semen analysis with vitality staining performed to determine whether the sperm are dead or alive and immotile. What are some possible? These men are unable to make a woman pregnant. What are some possible causes of male infertility? Men can also contribute to infertility in a couple. In fact, men are found to be the only cause or a contributing cause of infertility problems in couples is about 40% of cases. To conceive a child, a male sperm must combine with the female's egg. Testicles make and store sperm, which are ejaculated by the penis to deliver sperm to the female reproductive tract during sexual intercourse. The most common issues that lead to infertility in men are problems that affect how the testicles work. Other problems are hormone imbalances or blockages or absence of some of the ducts in the male reproductive organs. Lifestyle factors and age-related factors also play a role in male infertility. For those, sperm that complete the trip getting into the egg, which is covered by a thick layer, is far from a sure thing. Question is here, anything you can do to improve the health of your sperm? Many of the things you do to keep yourself healthy can also do the same for sperm. Try some of these tips. Don't smoke or use illicit drugs, especially anabolic steroids. Avoid contact with toxins such as pesticides and heavy metals. Don't drink alcohol. Eat a healthy diet and keep your weight under control. Keep your scrotum cool because he'll slow down the making of sperm. To do this, avoid hot baths, wear boxers instead of briefs, and try not to wear tight pants. Taseer Spermogen Sperm Grow Plus Therapy has some special herbals, those qualities to achieve the gains of centimeters in penis length and especially the girth to help get your confidence in sexually satisfying experience, which is specially prepared for those who has erectile dysfunction, ejaculation, duration problems, stiffness, length and width problem with penis. It is very safe and easy to use and made with 100% pure herbal extract. Treatment. Taseer Dawakhana has been established since 1946 and you can recover from all these diseases by using Taseer Spermogen Sperm Grow Plus Therapy by Taseer Dawakhana, which is made with precious herbals and free from any side effects. Doctors and scientists of our institute Taseer Dawakhana work under the supervision of Dr. and Hakim Tariq Mahmood Taseer, qualified doctors, lady doctor, pharmacist and Hakim with prolonged research. Taseer Spermogen Sperm Grow Plus Therapy is a chemical-free natural supplement with no side effects. It is prepared from pure herbal and 100% effective Taseer Spermogen Sperm Grow Plus Therapy cures azoospermia, oligospermia, necrospermia, varicocele, hydrocele, pus cell infection, hormone level, maintain pH level of a person, increase the volume of the semen, thickness in semen, sperm morphology, every type of infection, and start producing sperms where person will be relieved from all infertility diseases. Increase HGH hormone level, follicle stimulating hormone, luteinizing hormone, and normalize the sperm count of infertile men so they become fertile. Taseer Spermogen Sperm Grow Plus Therapy is prepared under the medical principles and proper scientific methods with up-to-date machinery in Taseer Pharma Private Limited. So viewers, I have briefly explained male infertility in this video. If you or your known person have this problem, so you can visit to our clinic or can call us, in which our office timing is 9 AM to 8 PM, and discuss your problem. I hope this video was informative and helpful for you. If you like this video, kindly subscribe our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. I will see you again in my next video, in which we will discuss new disease topic and its treatment. Viewers, it's time to say goodbye. Have a nice day. Take care.